Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today we are on day 7 of the 30-day clean and declutter challenge. Day 7, according to my calendar, is supposed to be the stairs. Yeah. Whenever I was looking at it, I was like, no. Yeah, today is the stairs. So basically that's just hoovering up and down the stairs and doing the skirting boards and then doing the banisters as well. So it's gonna be a pretty easy one today. I can't imagine I'll need 15 minutes, but I always say that and then I end up going slower because I have the 15 minutes. But we'll just go along and we'll do what we can. So like I said, it is the stairs that we are doing today. So this is our banister. As you can see, it's wooden, so we're just going to kind of give it a polish. Between the slats there is like little wood panels. We're also going to clean that, hoover up and down it, and then if we have time on this side there is kind of like wood. Again, I'm just going to give that a bit of a clean and a dust or whatever. So day 7, and it's going pretty good. I'm recording this on day 7 of the morning of day 7, so let's hope it gets up at time because I want to put it up all the time at 3 p.m. my time. So without further ado, what I'm going to do is set my clock for 15 minutes. You can see 15 and go. So I'm just going to dust this first because it'll just be a little bit easier. So I'm just going to use my kind of polishing cloth and some spray and just get between the little slats here. Then kind of work the end of the banister up into the grooves. And again, it will be done pretty quick because it's not too bad actually. This is one of those boring jobs that you just don't want to do. Like on a constant basis, you're just like, I'll do it another day, it'll be fine. But it's not actually that bad because, sorry if you can hear my wash machine, because one of the days last month, I think, when I was hoovering the stairs, I did give it a little clean in these slats, so like the dirt coming off it isn't actually too bad. But yeah, we made it 7 days in, guys. I mean, let me know how you're doing. Are you still following along? Or how's it going for you? So there is just a little bit of like a wooden panel here, so I'm just going to give it a clean. Maybe if I switch you over this side, you can't really see. Actually, this side is way dirtier than I thought. It's like little kind of splash marks on it. So when I bought this Hoover, you guys might remember I loved it. And I still do like it. It's just, well, since we moved into this house, obviously with the stairs and with it having kind of wooden floors, it's not been the best with the wooden floors. So, you know, at some stage I might look at getting a new one. I might try to convince Robert that it's okay to get a new one. I just raveled this all up when I took it off now, but I'm going to plug it in here at the top of the stairs. We'll work our way down and we'll be good. Okay, so like I suspected, it didn't take me 15 minutes. There's 1 minute 48 left, so just cancel that now. But that is day 7 done. So here's where we come to a conundrum. So day 7, as you can see, is the stairs, and day 8 is the porch. So Robert just done the porch. He literally power washed like all of the ground outside, down our driveway, in front of the house, up to the porch. And while he was there, he did the door and he did the porch as well. So I looked today and it really doesn't need to be cleaned because, as I said, he just power washed it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skip that and then just move on to the kitchen declutter. So next video will be a kitchen declutter. So yeah, that's interesting because usually what I do is I record the day before. So I have a video ready on like today where I'm recording it on the day, which it's just not working. I don't like it. I don't like being so unprepared. So today I've just done the stairs, and we're skipping porch day and we're moving on to kitchen declutter, which means that later today I have to go in for 15 minutes and declutter the kitchen. So that's going to be interesting because I did think I had more time, but anyways, makes no difference. It has to be done, doesn't it? So that is it. I hope that everybody has been enjoying the first 7 days of the declutter and clean challenge, and do let me know if you're still following along and what you've done and what you've achieved. I love hearing what you guys are doing at home, knowing that I'm just not in this on my own is always helpful. I really do appreciate everybody watching and commenting and supporting my channel. If you want to follow me on social media, all the links are below, or if you want to catch the other videos of this week, if you've missed some, there is a playlist linked in the description as well for you guys to check out and catch up on that. Thank you so much, guys. I hope that you have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.